My God, welcome back, you guys. I am so happy you guys are back to see this new video, and I decided to do a updo, and this updo took less than 30 minutes. It's your go-to style for any occasion. Let's get started. You're probably like, girl, Viney, your hair is nowhere curly. How did you get your hair curly, especially in the front? Guess what? That is crochet. That is crochet hair called Rast, and I'm gonna link it down below. As you can tell, I am like separating my leave out from where I'm gonna place the ponytail. I feel like it was so much easy for me to place it in the front of my hair in a triangular part. The thing that's so great about crochet hair, honestly, that peck of hair hides everything. That synthetic curly hair hides everything. So your part does not have to be perfect, but you want to make sure you separate. It's now time to start forming your ponytail. I am actually putting gel around the perimeter of my head. I can't talk. But yeah, that's gel, you guys. And as you can see, I am putting it all around the area that I am going to apply the ponytail. Okay. And now I'm going to use the Got To Be glue. And I am going to also apply that to my hair. It's so funny to watch this stuff play back. So as of right now, it's Got To Be glue and gel on my hair. Make sure as you brush your hair, you brush it in an upwards motion, forming a ponytail. Okay, now the ponytail needs to be as close to your leave out. Okay, it needs to be as close to your leave out. So if you're wondering what the white stuff is, it is actually wrapping lotion. I will link it below of like everything I use, but I'm brushing it in an upwards motion, and I am bringing it as high as possible. Y'all better not forget to do y'all edges. Despite the crochet braid covering the edges, do not ignore your edges. Put some baby bangs in there. Alright? Put some baby bangs in there. And your hair will forever love you long time. Okay? Don't play yourself. Put them baby hairs in there. Alright? Y'all ready to crochet some hair? Alright, so you want to make sure you braid it in a snake pattern. Okay, watch the video, you're gonna see. You want to braid it in a snake pattern. You're probably wondering, Viney, why do I have to have braids in the center of my hair, my head? Is it gonna stay like this? Baby girl, no, it is not. The reason for the braids is so we can crochet the hair in. If we don't have braids, how is the crochet hair is going to stay in the head? Aha, with the braids. And I'm gonna show you, so just stay tuned and finish watching. Keep in mind, your parts do not have to be the best. I am not the queen of parts. I'm actually the devil and probably anybody else's worst nightmare. But who's checking for me? Nobody. So yeah, stay tuned. So I am literally parting straight parts, but I'm keeping in mind that I need to circle it like a snake. All right, keep that in mind. But I'm parting it straight across, no zigzags, straight across. So you're probably wondering what the hell I'm gonna like do with the little hanging little leftover remaining braid. I am going to twist it around the bun, as you can see, twist it. Then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna lay it down flat and make sure it is great. Life is good. Psych, but I'm fixing my baby hairs. You see it? You want to put like little curls in your kitchen area, all right? You don't want it to look like straight. And then you're going to spray the got-to-be glue and you're going to smooth everything out. You want your ponytail to be perfect. You feel me? Perfect. Let them low-key waves pop. Now let's start with the crochet. That's the hair, you guys. It looks as natural as possible. Now I do have a step-by-step crochet video. If you want to learn how to crochet, how to use the tool, I do have that video. But as of right now, I am going to spread it out. Honestly, people, I did not use a lot of crochet hair in the front. You know why? Because you don't want it to be too full, and honestly, the crochet hair is pretty thick. So be light on it, okay? And, you know, fill it in wherever you feel is necessary to fill it in. Because guess what? You're going to cut it. You're going to cut it into a bank. You know, that's what's going to happen. So feel free to spread it all the way around however you want to. It does not have to be perfect. Remember, we're doing this style in less than 30 minutes. You can see it is definitely filling up. Okay, it is definitely filling up. So, and that wasn't even a lot of crochet hair, honestly, but it is filling up. So now that I feel like the crochet hair, that's enough crochet hair in the front, there's now time to do the ponytail. You are going to put the ponytail on a scrunchie, okay? And then you are going to wrap it around the ponytail bun, your ponytail bun. You're going to wrap it and you're going to take a bobby pin to lock it on in, okay? So continue watching and see how I'm about to finesse this ponytail. Let's get to cutting the bang. FYI, do not pull on the hair, because once that hair bounces back, you don't know how short it's going to be because it's so curly. Yes, people, shrinkage is real even in fake hair. So I noticed that it wasn't that full and I needed to add a couple of more pieces of the crochet just to find that balance. So even after you cut it and you realize it's not that full or as full as you want it to be, then go ahead and add a couple of more pieces, and that's the point of having the braids so high close to the ponytail. And keep in mind, you want to finesse the hair, okay? You want to finesse the ponytail. Like, go off of vibes, go off of what you like and what you don't like, okay? Now I'm cutting the remainder of the hair. Remember those extra pieces I put in? And I'm cutting it on an angle, okay? And then I am fluffing it up. I am trying to frame my face. So make sure you're framing your face. Now let's see the final product. Drum roll, everyone. Show me what you got. Uh-oh. Oh. Give it to him, girl. Okay. That's me. All right. Until next time, people, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I found a little piece. All right, people, until next time, please don't forget to subscribe. And, as always, stay beautiful and peaceful and all of the above. Bye.